The news that the European Union may not impose a price cap on Russian oil and gas has calmed down the markets and boosted crude prices. The reason why oil has been trading mixed lately lies in the high level of uncertainty and the risk of a deeper supply shortage. On the one hand, these factors are bullish for oil, and yet market participants were cautious as they couldn't predict the scope of the upcoming crude deficit. These fears stopped oil prices from a further growth. Now everything depends on whether the European Union will keep its promise and impose a price restriction on Russian oil. And this factor also contributes to the strengthening of the oil market. However, the outcome of this initiative is not clear yet, and its impact on the global oil supply is hard to foresee. So the question is, to what extent oil prices will rise? Brent oil futures are currently going through the phase of a correction against the level of 87.30. As a result, the asset advanced by more than 6%. If the upward cycle continues, the price may hit for the local high in the area of $96 and $97 per barrel formed on September 5. As the US dollar is depreciating across the board, gold is holding above the level of $1,700 per troy ounce. In the short term, the precious metal has a good chance of rising even higher. The data on the US inflation that is due tomorrow will determine the future trajectory of the asset. If the indicator shows a slowdown, gold may well reach the target of $1,750 per troy ounce, and for this the quote will need to settle above $1,730, at least on the 4-hour chart. Otherwise, the price may reverse to the downside. Meanwhile, the Russian ruble has made several attempts to pass the level of 60 rubles per dollar. So far, they have been unsuccessful, and this may be an indication that investors are concerned as they haven't got any clues about the possible currency interventions from the Russian Ministry of Finance. There were speculations in August that these measures may be taken as soon as this September. However, this didn't happen. In fact, only this tool can change the situation in the market and weaken the national currency that has been too strong lately. It's very likely that both the Ministry of Finance and the Russian Central Bank may face pressure as traders will push the dollar-ruble pair below the level of 60 to force the authorities to act. And that's all for now. We continue to learn developments on financial markets. Subscribe to our channel and follow news with us. See you soon.